Back to another ID Outdoors episode, everybody. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm actually filming this video right as before I'm getting to be done with fishing, so I already know what's going to happen. So it is a good, it's pretty good, not as great as some of the other videos, but Dad and I caught a lot of fish. I think he's caught 6 and I've caught 5, so I'm almost done. I want to catch one more. We are catching and releasing all these fish. Like I have been doing all the episodes. I love to catch and release these fish, so we're able to come back out here, catch them again. Other people like to catch them, and it's just a good time. We're using small hooks, no barbs on them. We're using some eggs. We're jigging it. We're actually catching just strictly rainbows. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's going to be a good one. I'll catch up with you guys at the end of this video. Peace. But I know you probably can't see this very well. We're hooked up. It's early in the morning here. Just daylight enough to be able to catch some fish. First cast in there, hooked up with a nice rainbow, I believe. Oh my, yes. Very nice rainbow, and he's gone. Easy as that. That's why you fish with these little hooks. It's the way to do her. Thing you didn't have any problems at all. Just popped right out of its lip. So we're gonna tie it on there again. That first cast, I was throwing old trusty power bait, just yellow, plain old yellow. But might have to throw something else on later today as it gets more daylight. I don't know, that was just first cast, but that's easy catch and release. All right, Dad's hooked up. Oh, okay, yeah, I'll get your fish for you. Oh, you almost had him in that. You almost had him in the net. Oh. There you go. Another nice rainbow. Another nice rainbow trout here. I know it's pretty dark. You guys can't see this very well, but another rainbow. We're gonna send her on home here. There we go. Dad's hooked up with another one here. Yeah, I'll just get it for you. Don't worry about it. There goes my everything. Stupid vest. Alright, so Dad got that fish off, actually. Threw it on back. I'm using these little bait hooks here. Put some power bait on it, just enough to cover the hook. Should be plenty. And we'll go from there, see what happens with it. We'll cast her on out there. That is hooked up once again. That's 3 already. We're gonna try to get him in the net here. There we go. Got him in there. I'm guessing I haven't really seen it much. I think it's a nice rainbow. We're gonna send this rainbow back here into the depth. Number 4. Right here, we got a jumper. Oh, flip it around here. Another gorgeous West Virginia rainbow. All right, everybody, just another nice rainbow here. It's a really good one, actually. We're gonna let them back into the water here. Swim off. There you go. Trout aren't biting too good right now. There are some gold swimming around down there. Pretty cool, but trout aren't biting too good right now. Might throw on some shrimp eggs out there, see if we can get something to bite. I really like to catch that gold down there. It'd be pretty cool. But I'll be all right with anything right now. Fishing up here on this cliff here. I think I've got one on with the shrimp eggs all the way up here on top. We'll have to get down there and get to them. I've done this a lot, but pretty good rainbow it looks like. I gave up on trying to catch that gold there. It's a pretty nice one. Pretty nice one. Get down here to him. My dad started catching a lot of them. I felt like I was being left out here. Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna let this one go. It's barely hooked in his lip. Another nice West Virginia rainbow. Look at the colors on that bad boy. It's a good one. All right, everybody. I'm hooked up with another one. Dad's cramping me. Got him on one single shrimp egg, small hook with no barbs, because that's how we're able to release all these fish without killing any of them. There's like no problems at all. That's how we do it. It's just easier. We like to release all these fish so we can come back and catch them again, and other people can catch them as well. There he is, he's finally surfaced. Another nice rainbow here in West Virginia. All right, Dad's hooked up with another one. Guess I'll get it for him.
How beautiful it is, you can see it down in there.
Thing's a little fighter here. Keep him in the net here. Keep him in the water. Another nice rainbow. Hooked up with one more rainbow. I don't know if this one's a good one or not. I think it might be. Oh, it just got off. Dang it. That's a good one. Gosh dang it. Anyway, guys, what I'm doing is I got my split shots pretty close to my hook here. Just a small little hook. I'm putting on one single shrimp egg. I'm fishing with no barbs on this hook. That's how that fish was so easy to get off, is because I don't want it to hurt it. I want to be able to catch and release, so I'm able to catch more fish. These fish are able to go back in there for other people to catch. Just makes it easier on everybody. So, one little hook, one shrimp egg, just covering up enough that you can get it up around that curve. That's all it is. I'm just kind of plucking it off the bottom here, and I'm able to drop pretty low down in there because of all my sinkers, and I'm just plucking it, and Dad and I are able to catch him here. He was catching a lot more on power bait than I was, but now that I've switched to shrimp eggs, seems to be working a little bit easier. Hooked up down there, way down there. I don't know what this one is. He's gonna come right towards me though. It's another rainbow. I see him swimming down here. It's a nice fat one. My goodness. It's a nice fat one. Had that long arm release on the last one. It was okay. This one's barely hooked inside of its mouth. We're gonna get down there and set them loose. Oh, come here, buddy. All right, buddy, to be able to save this fish, I'm keeping him in the water here. And all I'm doing, I'm keeping him in the water. And all I have to do is just pop it out of the side of its mouth. I have it right here in my hand. All I have to do is pop it in the side of its mouth, let him swim off. He's home free. So, pretty easy catch and release system. Save a lot of fish. You know, just hook them right inside the mouth, don't let them swallow it. It's pretty easy. I always like to check the tension of my line. A long way out there and being so deep, it's hard to tell exactly what's going on, especially being high up. But I always like just check the tension of my line, maybe jig it a little bit, pull on it, see if anything's happening on the other end. It's always a good thing to do. Oh, I just lost another one all the way out there. That sucks, but it's all right. Kept my hook. That's why we use these hooks. You lose some fish, we know that going into it, but when you do catch one, you're able to save them, and it's worth it. Catch and release. I got one. I think I got one. I got one. We're hooked up all the way out there underneath that tree limb. He's way down there, but we're gonna walk him over here. Get him off the hook. Let him set him free. Dad's getting aggravated. He's watching trout jump other places. He's wanting to go catch them someplace else. So we might be making another episode this morning. So that's always good. Easy peasy right here. Just actually smaller than the ones we have been catching, but still a pretty good healthy fish. Caught right in the side of the mouth, everyone. This is how you're able to do some catch and release. Nice, healthy rainbow trout. Another beautiful West Virginia rainbow. Not as big as the ones we have been catching. Still a pretty dang good fish, everyone. We just let him go. Dad's hooked up all the way over there. Just bring him over here to me. He's hooked up. Little jumper. Nice, nice. Pretty good size one. Got this guy hooked in the corner of the mouth. Get down here and release him. There you go, guys. Another nice rainbow. We're gonna get him out of there. All right, guys, we're gonna release Dad's fish here. Another nice rainbow. Off he goes. Got another one, guys. Yeah, I really barely have this one hooked. This is literally hooked right in the corner of his mouth. I'm gonna wear him out up here. So when we get down there, it's easy to get the hook out. It isn't squirming around everywhere. Alright, we're gonna move down there. Excuse me. Where's he at? Oh, there he is, swimming deep with me. You can always tell when you have a fish really hooked in its mouth, like really hooked in its mouth, not swallowed it, but hooked in its mouth, because they go crazy like this one and they try to break your line, which shows that it's a pretty good rainbow to be able to break my line like that. Oh yeah, he barely hooked. Oh yeah. All right, bro, we're gonna set this big old rainbow go here back into the depths of the river. There he goes, off to the races. I got one. Out there underneath that tree again. Out there underneath that tree again. This one's muscling me up here. It doesn't want to come all the way in. This is gonna be the last fish of the episode. Another solid rainbow. Another solid fish. Wow. Get this out of the corner of his mouth and let it go. All right, guys, just another West Virginia rainbow catch and release here. Got them all unhooked. There you go. As I was getting ready to end the video, Dad ended up catching one more out of here. This is probably like his 8th or 9th trout. I haven't seen it. Oh, there it is. It's right here in front of us. Oh, just a little small guy. We'll be able to catch and release him pretty good here.
Yeah,
He's small, but he's pretty. Look at that, everybody. Hooked right in the corner of his mouth. We're gonna get that out of there. Hook out of here. We're gonna send this little boy home. There we go. Another rainbow just swam out of there. It's pretty sweet. That's going to be the end of this ID Outdoors episode. Thank you guys for watching this video. We ended up catching more fish after I actually filmed the intro that you guys watched before, which was actually the intro, blah, 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 blah. Thank you guys for watching this video. We slayed them this morning. We've been constantly slaying them. It's been a good time. So thank you guys for watching these videos. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the post notifications. Keep on watching ID Outdoors. Follow us on social media. We'll link that all in the description box. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.